In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Pedro Pascal dancing video meme for TikTok using CapCut step by step. This is a super fun edit style that works perfectly for meme pages, reaction clips, jokes, and short form content that grabs attention fast. If you've been wanting to make your own version of this viral style, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut on your PC. Make sure you're using CapCut version 8.9 or newer, so the template options and placeholder tools are available and working properly. Once CapCut opens, look at the left-hand navigation panel and click on Templates. This is where you'll find ready-made meme styles and trending edits that make the process much faster. Now go to the search bar and type Pedro Pascal dancing. CapCut should show a range of template results related to that meme style. What you want to look for is a high-quality template that includes a pre-keyed background placeholder. That placeholder is the key part because it allows you to replace the background with your own custom joke, image, or video while keeping the dancing Pedro effect intact. Take your time and choose a template that looks clean, sharp, and easy to work with. Once you find the right one, drag and drop it directly into your timeline. This loads the template into your project and prepares it for editing. Next, we're going to insert your custom background. This is where you can make the meme personal, funny, or relevant to whatever topic you want to post about. Click the Media tab in the top left corner, then select Import. From here, upload your custom joke image or video clip. You can use a screenshot, a funny reaction image, a trending clip, or anything that matches the joke you want to make. After your media is imported, double-click the template clip sitting in your timeline. This opens the template slot or placeholder menu on the right side of the screen. This menu is where CapCut lets you replace parts of the template without breaking the original effect. Now find the background placeholder slot and drag your imported media directly into it. As soon as you drop it in, CapCut will automatically scale your custom background underneath the dancing Pedro asset. This is what makes the edit look seamless and polished without you needing to manually mask or keyframe everything yourself. If the background looks off at first, don't worry, you can always adjust the position or try a different image or clip that fits better behind the meme animation. The goal is to make sure your background supports the joke and doesn't distract from the main character in the edit. Once everything looks good, play the timeline back and check the motion, placement, and overall timing. Make sure the background and template work together smoothly and that the meme reads clearly on a phone screen. Since this is meant for TikTok, vertical framing and strong visual contrast are really important. When you're happy with the final look, click Export in the top right corner. For the best TikTok result, set your resolution to 1080 by 1920 in a 9:16 vertical format. Also keep the frame rate at 60 FPS if you want smoother motion and a cleaner finish, especially if the template has movement or fast visual changes. Then click Export one more time and let CapCut render the video. After that, your Pedro Pascal dancing meme is ready to post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or anywhere else you want to share it. And that's it. You've now created a Pedro Pascal dancing meme video in CapCut using a template and your own custom background. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, and check out the next tutorial for more viral meme edits you can make in minutes.